Okay, hi everyone, welcome to the session. Good evening everyone. Amay, Sonam, Arjun, Ankit, all of you, welcome to the session. I hope the screen is visible to everyone and I'm clearly audible. All of you, please confirm once. Yes, all of you, please confirm once. I hope everything is fine. Okay, let's start. Yeah, all right, so today we are going to discuss heights and distances. This is an application of trigonometry. Okay, so to study heights and distances, you guys just need the basic concepts of trigonometry. Basic trigonometric ratios pata hone chahiye and values of trigonometric ratios for angles. That's it. Okay, let's start. Okay, good evening, Aditya. So I started the session at 9, but I think the stream was not live. So I'm restarting it again. Okay. All right. Let's start. So if you go for the Unacademy Plus subscription for IPMAT, you get all these benefits. Okay. You will have access to the classes from top educators of India. These classes are live sessions. Every fourth session is a doubt solving session. Okay. Even if you miss any lecture, you will have the recording of that lecture available to you. Full length mock test and sectional test also happen on the platform. So you will have access to this as well. Okay. Now let us start. So today we are discussing, as I said, heights and distances. Okay. So for that, we need to learn a few terms. Okay. First term is line of sight. Our first term is line of sight. What do you understand from line of sight? All of you. Hi Anurag. Hi Harshita. Okay. What do you understand from the term line of sight? Suppose you're looking at some object. Okay. Suppose you are standing here. This is you. Okay. And some table is kept over here. Some object is kept over here. Then you are looking at this object. So this line is known as the line of sight. Okay. Suppose if you're walking on a road, right? You're walking on a road and there is a tree here. Okay. And you're looking at the top of the tree. So this line is your line of sight. Okay. Suppose if you're standing on the roof of a building and from there if you look down on a car that is passing by. So the straight line that is formed is known as the line of sight. Okay. Everyone please confirm if the definition of line of sight is clear. All of you. Is this clear? What is a line of sight? Yes. All of you. Okay. So this is line of sight. Now along with line of sight, we need to learn two more terms. That is angle of elevation, and another term is angle of depression. Okay. These two terms we need to learn. Now let us understand these two terms in detail. Okay. Now consider this case that this is you and this is a tree and you're looking at the top of the tree. Okay, so this angle that is formed with the horizontal, okay, angle formed between your line of sight with the horizontal is known as the angle of elevation, because the tree is elevated, it is at a higher at a greater height than you, so therefore this is angle of elevation. Okay, but if you're standing on some roof, okay, and you're looking down on the road at some object which is kept here, so then this angle formed, you are looking down, so this angle that is formed with the horizontal is known as the angle of depression. Okay. All right. Yes. Yes, Anurag, I'll repeat it once. Angle of elevation is formed with the horizontal surface when you look at something, okay, which is at a greater height, like this. But if you look down on something, okay, if you're looking down, the angle that is formed with the horizontal is known as the angle of depression. All right. Yes, Arjun, there is a chapter in 10th, heights and distances. वही concept है, same concept. Okay. Now, let us understand this in detail. What is angle of elevation? The angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal level. Okay? Provided the point of observation is above your horizontal level is called angle of elevation. So, it is like this. Okay? This is your angle of elevation. But what is angle of depression? The angle which is formed with the horizontal when you look down with the line of sight. So this is the angle of depression. Are these two terms absolutely clear? Angle of elevation and angle of depression, all of you? Yes, Manvi, we started at 9:10. Okay, so it has been just 5 minutes. No, no need to take the angles as positive or negative here. No need to take negative angles here. Okay, all the angles here will be positive only. Okay. Alright, because anyways, this angle is also getting measured from the anti-clockwise direction. You will measure it in this direction only. Alright, okay, let's move on. Yeah, so our first question for today's session. Let us read the question, try to understand it. Let us make the figure, then we'll solve it. Okay, so what is the question saying? Yes, hi Nad, welcome to the session. Okay, a man is standing at a distance of 25 meters from the bottom of a pole. So suppose if I have a pole here, okay, and this is my horizontal level. Okay, this man is standing here at the distance of 25 meters from the pole, right? From the first sentence, I can draw this figure. Let us read further. And he finds that the angle of elevation at the top of the tree. Okay, so consider this also as pole. Okay, so top of the pole means this angle that is formed, angle of elevation. This angle is equal to 60 degree. You need to find the height of the pole. So this is a triangle that is formed. Let us take this triangle as ABC. Angle B is a right angle triangle. By height of the pole, we mean we need to find the value of AB. Am I right? So can you tell me which trigonometric ratio should I use? Think about it, which trigonometric ratio should be used here? All of you. कौन सा trigonometric ratio use करेंगे? We have the base, we have to find the perpendicular. Perpendicular और base के बीच में कौन सा trigonometric ratio perpendicular and base की relationship establish करता है? Yes, Thomas, correct. Tan. Okay, so I can write tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base. What is the perpendicular? AB. Okay, what is the base? BC. Right? Yes, Ankit, Manvi, Aditya, correct. Right answers. So AB upon BC. What is AB? 25. Sorry, AB is what I need to find. Alright, we have to find AB only. So AB upon 25. What is the value of tan 60 degrees? Please tell me what is the value of tan 60 degrees? It is root 3. Okay, so root 3 is equal to AB upon 25. What is the height of the pole? Height of the pole is 25 root 3 meters. Okay, is this question clear, all of you? It's 25 into root 3. Yes, Anurag, you can take cot as well. Okay, that will be, so then in that case you will put cot 60 degree, right, which will be 1 upon root 3. So it will be same. You will get the same answer anyways. You can choose any trigonometric ratio which establishes the relationship between perpendicular and base. किसी से भी same answer आएगा. Okay, everyone clear? Let's move on. Next question. Yes, so this question you guys need to try. Okay, please try this question everyone and give me the right answer. First of all, read the question, understand it, draw the figure. Drawing the figure is very important. So, any answer yet? Okay, let's see. Let us draw the figure. A tower is at the distance of 40 meters from a bench. So, suppose if you have a bench here, this is the tower. The distance between bench and the tower is 40 meters. Okay. All right. Now, from the top of the tower, the angle of depression of the bench is 60 degrees. So, this will be your line of sight. Okay. And this angle of depression is 60 degrees. Okay. So, if this is 60 degrees, it means this angle is also 60 degrees, right? Because these lines, the horizontal lines will be parallel. This is 60 degrees. This is 40 meters. So, which trigonometric ratio should I use? I have to find the value of h, right? That is a perpendicular base is given. So tan 60 degrees again. So tan 60 is what? H upon 40. So h will be what? 40 root 3. That's it. Okay, clear? Yes, Thomas, Anurag, Harshit, Ankit, Sonam, Aditya, correct answers. Right answer, all of you. Okay, 40 root 3 is correct. Yes, Harshita, is the question clear? We'll be using tan 60 degree and this will be 40 root 3. I hope it is clear now. Let's move on. Next question. Okay. Try this one, everyone. Draw the figure and try to solve it. The tops of two poles. So we have two poles here of height 24 meters and 20 meters connected by a wire. Okay. So you have two poles, one of height 24, one of height 20 meters. The tops of both are connected by a wire. Okay. Now this wire makes 30-degree angle with the horizontal. This angle is 30 degrees. Okay. All right. Can you tell me, so this triangle is formed, ABC, right angled at B. So can you tell me what will be the value of AB? What is the value of AB according to the figure? Yes, everyone, what is it? It will be 24 minus 20, that is 4. Right? 4 meters. Sonam, clear? It won't be 8. Right? This BC will be parallel to the base. That is why 4. Correct. Now, so you have 4. So you know the length of AB is 4. You know this angle. We have to find the length of the wire. This is the wire. Wire is AC. Right? So which trigonometric ratio should I use? I have to find the length of AC. Which trigonometric ratio should be used here? AC is the hypotenuse, right? AB is the perpendicular. So I will use sine theta, right? So sine 30 degrees is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? 4. What is the height AC? I need to find. What is the value of sine 30 degrees? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to 4 into AC. So we got AC as 8 meters. Okay. So length of the wire is 8 meters. All right, correct. Right answer. All right, so I think you were telling me the answer earlier, Sonam. Then it's fine. Okay, correct answer. 8 meters is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. I hope this question is clear to all. If there is any doubt, please let me know, guys. We can discuss this again. Okay, try this one now. Read the question, draw the diagram. Okay. Okay. So how much time needed? I'll give you 60 seconds. Okay? Take 1 minute and try the question. Then we'll discuss this here. Yes. Any answer yet? Yes. Arjun, Amay, Sonam, Ankit, Harshita, Thomas, Aditya, Manvi. Waiting for your answers, guys. Nad, Varun. Okay. All of you. Okay. So let us draw the figure. So this is the building. Okay. Now from a point P on the ground, let us take point P on the ground, the angle of elevation top of a 10-meter tall building. What is the length of this building? 10 meters. Height of this building? 10 meters. Is 30 degrees. So this angle um, at point P, this is equal to 30 degrees as given in the question. Okay, now a flag is hoisted at the top of the building. So this is a flag here. I have a flag here. Okay, now the angle of elevation of the top of the flag staff from P is 45 degree. Okay, so this angle from flagstaff to P, this angle is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, yes, is the diagram clear now? Sonam, all of you please tell me if this diagram is clear. जो बिल्डिंग का टॉप है उस पे एंगल 30 डिग्रीज बन रहा है एंड जो फ्लैग है उसके ऊपर उसके लिए एंगल 45 डिग्रीज बनेगा, दिस एंगल. ओके, क्लियर? ऑल राइट, yes, let us discuss this further. So I think the diagram is clear. If there is any doubt in the diagram, please ask, all of you. Yes, so we have this. Now let's see further. The angle of, length of the flagstaff we need to find and distance of the building from point P. Okay, so let us name all these points. This is point P. Let us take this as Q, R and S. Okay, so let us see the triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, you know that QR is 10 meters and we know that angle P is 30 degrees. Okay, what do I need to find? I need to find PQ. Okay, and PQ is the base. So please tell me which trigonometric ratio should I use to find the base. PQ find करने के लिए कौन सा ratio चाहिए? Think about it, all of you, and answer. We need to find PQ here. This is the angle, this is base, and this is hypotenuse. Okay, tan theta, correct. Let us take tan theta. So what is tan theta? Means tan 30 degrees is equal to perpendicular upon base PQ. So what is the length of PQ? What is tan theta? It is 1 upon root 3, right? Tan theta is 1 upon root 3. Okay, so what is it? PQ will be equal to 10 root 3. Okay, PQ is 10 root 3. So we have 10 root 3. So I can take this value as 10 root 3. Now consider the entire triangle. Consider the triangle PQS, the bigger triangle. Okay, so in triangle PQS, this angle now is equal to 45 degrees. I know the base. Can I find the length of QS? To find the length of QS, can you tell me which ratio should be used? कौन सा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो यूज करेंगे? प्लीज आंसर. QS. So this is also tan, but this time it is tan 45 degrees, right? What is it? QS upon PQ. Okay, what is tan 45 degrees equal to 1? What is QS? I need to find PQ 10 root 3. We found in the previous step from here, right? So what is the length of QS? It is 10 root 3. Okay, so QS is 10 root 3 and we have QR is 10. So what is the length of flag? Length of flag will be RS, which is QS minus QR, which means 10 into root 3 minus 1. Correct. So I think some of you gave the right answers earlier. Let me check. Yes, Ankit, correct answer. Yes, Harshita also, right answer. Okay. Yes, Sonam, correct answer. I hope the question is clear to everyone now. Any doubt in this question, guys? Quickly give me a thumbs up so that I can move on to the next one. Yes, right answer, Ankit. Okay. All right, let's move on. Next question. So this is the next question. Please read the question, everyone. Try to draw the figure and solve this correctly. Okay, I need the right answers from everyone. Solve it. So for this, I am giving you 90 seconds, 1.5 minutes. Okay, if you draw the figure, then the question won't be difficult, right? So take 20 seconds to draw the figure. Okay. Okay. All right, we have one answer. Let's see. See, building is this. Okay. Tower is on the top of the building. So I have a tower here. So 20-meter high building. So this length of the building is 20 meters. Height of the tower I don't know. So let us take the height as h. Okay, I'm taking the height of the tower as h. Okay, this is h. Okay, all right. Now from a fixed point on the ground, let us take the point as P. The angle of elevation to the top of building, sorry, angle of elevation to the bottom and top of tower. So bottom of the tower, this is the angle which is equal to 45 degrees. And top of the building means this, right? So this angle is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so the figure is same as before. It is similar to the previous figure we have discussed in the previous question, right? So let us see. Let us name the triangles P, Q, R and S. Okay, now consider the triangle PQR first. Consider triangle PQR. What is the length of Q? Which angle should I take? I have to find the length of PQ. Okay, so tan 45 degrees. What is tan 45 degrees? It is QR upon PQ. What is tan 45? 1. So I get PQ is equal to 20. Right? We get PQ is equal to 20 meters. Now consider another triangle. That is triangle PQS. Okay, what is the ratio I should take? Tan 60 degrees. What is tan 60 degrees? It will be QS upon PQ. Okay, what is QS? That is what I need to find. What is PQ? 20. So what is the length of QX? 20 root 3. What is the height of the tower? QS minus QR, which is 20 into 3 minus 1. Okay, all of you, is this clear? 20 into root 3 minus 1. Yes. Anurag, correct answer. Varun, right answer. Aditya, correct. Amay, correct answer. Yes, all of you, please confirm if this question is clear. Is it clear, all of you? Okay. Uh, let's move on to the next question then. Yes. Now in this question you have angle of depression. Okay. So please read the question, all of you, and draw the figure and then try to solve it. You have 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes for the question. Start solving, all of you. Yes, Varun, this is important. Okay. Because in higher mathematics, which comes in IPMAT Indore paper, okay, trigonometry is one of the important parts. So if you have seen some previous year question paper, you will definitely find 2 to 3 questions from trigonometry. So it is important. All right. So you guys solve this question. I'll be back in just 30 seconds. Okay, I need to plug in my charger. Till then, all of you, please solve the question. Yes. So Anurag, you're asking when am I going to start higher mathematics? Okay. See, trigonometry is the part of your higher mathematics only. Okay, and topics like calculus. See, for calculus, you need to cover trigonometry first. All the concepts of trigonometry need to be covered before we start calculus. Okay, because calculus में trigonometry का बहुत ज़्यादा use होता है. Okay, all the formulas. अभी तो हमने सिर्फ basic concepts किए हैं. So once we finish entire trigonometry, then I will start with calculus. Okay, but don't worry, I'll be covering it for sure. Okay, so Aditya has already got the answer 75 root 3 minus 1. Okay, let's see. All of you quickly type in the answers. Amay, Varun, Anurag, Arjun, Sonam, Harshita. Yes, Varun, Thomas, quickly type in your answers. Everyone. Okay, all right. Sonam has also got the answer. Let's see. Ankit also. Harshita also. Okay, fine. Let us discuss. So, as observed from a top of a 75-meter high lighthouse. So, this is my lighthouse. This is the sea level. Okay, this is the horizontal sea level. Height of the lighthouse is 75 meters. Okay, angle of depression of two ships. If one ship is exactly behind the other one, so this is your ship 1, S1 I am taking, other is your S2, another ship. Okay, angle of depression. So from here, okay, angles with the horizontal, right? For one ship, and other angle of depression will be this one. Okay, so obviously this will be the shorter angle. So this is 30 degrees, this one is 45 degrees. Okay. Yes, so this is 30 degrees and this is 45 degrees. Okay, these are the two angles. I can say because these lines will be parallel. Okay, now we have to find the distance between two ships. Let us take this D as the distance between two ships. Okay, all right. So use this. Let us take the triangles as A, B, C, D. In triangle ABC, okay, we can use tan. What is tan 45 degrees? AB upon BC, right? So what is the length of BC? BC will be equal to, tan 45 is 1. So BC is equal to AB, which is 75 meters. Okay. What is the length of BD? So for that, use the triangle ABD. Again, I can use tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees will be AB upon BD. This means root 3 is equal to AB is 75 upon BD. BD is equal to 75 by root 3, which you can write as 75 root 3 by 3. Okay, all of you, I hope this part of the calculation is clear. We have just applied the trigonometric ratio in both these triangles. Okay, now I need to find the distance D. D is what? BD minus BC. What is BD? 75 root 3 by 3 minus 75. What is it? 75 into root 3 by 3 minus 1. This will be the right answer. Yes, Ankit, definitely there is a problem if you take 30 in place of 40 and 45 in place of 30. Possible ही नहीं है ऐसा. Okay, why is it not possible? I'll explain you. See, if you have two angles like this is angle X, this is angle Y. Okay, which angle will be greater? By just looking at the figure. Yes, okay. By just looking at this figure, can you tell me which angle is greater? Angle Y is greater. So if I write angle Y is 30 degrees and angle X is 45 degrees, is it correct? Is this representation correct then? Think about it. Yes, Harshita, I'll explain the diagram again. After this, I'll explain the diagram. And Anurag, I'll answer your question as well. I haven't ignored it. I have taken the note. I'll tell you after this. Is this correct? This representation? No. Okay, that is why you cannot exchange the angles. आप x के प्लेस पे y नहीं ले सकते हैं, y के प्लेस पे x नहीं ले सकते, because it will be wrong. Understood? Yes. Now let's move on to this one. Okay, so Harshita, you were saying you want the diagram again. Okay, so I'll explain you guys the diagram again. I'll draw it again. Let's see. Okay. All right. See this? There is a 75-meter lighthouse, 75-meter high lighthouse. Okay. So this is the lighthouse. Fine. What is the length of the lighthouse? 75 meters. Okay. Now there are two ships which are sailing in the sea. And ये जो ships हैं, one ship is exactly behind the other. What does this mean? If one ship is this is my ship S1. Okay, this is one ship 1 and this is another ship, ship 2. दो ships हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, so if somebody is here, angle of depression from this horizontal level for ship 1 will be this. If this is your ship 1, this is the angle. Okay, ship 2 के लिए angle of depression क्या होगा? This one, this angle. So I have two angles. So obviously this angle will be the shorter one. So this will be 30 degrees and this bigger angle will be 45 degrees. Is this clear now? Now let us take the angles. I'm just labeling the figure A, B, C and D. I hope the figure is clear now. Harshita, please confirm. Please confirm, Harshita, if it is clear. Yes, Amay, you want, please explain triangle ABD calculation again. Yes, fine. See, consider the triangle ABD. ABD means this triangle. Fine. I know what is the length of AB. It is given in the question as 75 meters. Fine. I have to find the length of BD. BD की length find करनी है. So tan 30 trigonometric ratio use होगा. Right? What is angle ADB? It will be equal to 30 degrees. So tan 30 I have used, which is AB upon BD. Okay? Tan 30 is root 3, AB is 75, BD you can find using this information. Alright, Amay, is this clear? Yes. Now your question, Anurag. Yeah, Anurag, you were asking that I am going to start number systems. Yes, I am going to start number theory from Monday. Okay, Monday we'll have the first class of numbers. Okay, so this is the fourth class of trigonometry. We have taken 4 sessions on trigonometry. I'll start numbers and after a while we'll come back to trigonometry again. Okay, because हम एक साथ सारा trigonometry कर लेंगे, then it will be difficult for you guys to understand. Okay, अभी basic concepts किए हैं. I will take more classes on trigonometry. Okay, but from Monday number systems ही start होगा. Don't worry. Clear? Any other question, guys? कोई भी question हो from this question, कोई query from this question या कोई भी और question हो आपको, please ask. Done? Okay. Next question. Ready for the next question? So this is our next question. Try this, everyone. So in this, angle of elevation is there. Okay, read the question, draw the figure. Okay, yes, Ankit, I'll share it. So actually, I think guys, some of you are added only in the Telegram channel. Okay, there is also a group that is attached to that channel. If you join that group, then you guys can send messages also. Okay, आप भी अपने questions and messages share कर सकते हो. So I have shared the PDFs of all the sessions. इसके पहले 3 sessions हुए हैं, तीनों sessions के PDFs उसमें हैं. इसका भी PDF I'll share by tonight or by tomorrow morning for sure. Okay. Yes. Any answer yet? Okay. All right, Anurag, I'll explain after this question. I'll explain the plan. Okay. Any answers yet for this question, everyone? Angle. Angles are complementary. Okay, Amay, angles are complementary. Complementary angles means sum of both angles is 90 degrees. Okay, दोनों angles का sum 90 degrees है. So are you guys trying this question or should we discuss this? Should we do it together? No, Sonam, complementary means 90, supplementary means 180. Okay. Yes, Aditya, I'll share the link of the group on the channel, okay, after this session. Let's see. Let us draw the figure. So I have a tower. This is the tower. Okay. Now there are 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower in the same straight line. Okay. So let us take this as x. Sorry, this distance I am taking as 4 meter from the base of the tower. This is a point A. Okay. Another point is this. Point B. This is at the distance of 9 meters from the tower. Right? This is given in the question. Okay. All right, Anurag. Let's see if it is 6 meters. So you have AB. Let us take this point as C. Okay. Now, these angles are complementary. So if I take this angle is x, what is the measure of this angle? It will be 90 minus x. Right? One angle x है, so दूसरा 90 minus x होगा because इनका sum 90 degrees है. Okay? Let us take this point as D. Now, which triangle should I consider? Let us consider ACD. In triangle ACD. Okay. All right. Can you tell me what is the value of CD? I have to find the height of the tower, which is CD. Okay. So, which trigonometric ratio should I use? यस वरुण, आप दोनों पॉइंट्स एक साइड पे भी ले सकते हो. दैट विल ऑल्सो बी करेक्ट. देर इज नो मिस्टेक इन दैट. So in triangle ACD, I am going to use tan. Okay, so tan x is equal to CD upon AC. Okay, what is AC? 4. Okay, so I can write CD is equal to 4 tan x. Okay, I don't know the value of tan x, but I can take it as 4 tan x. Okay, correct. Let's move on. Next part, next triangle. Now in triangle CBD, in this triangle, the other one, the bigger one. Okay, again I can use tan 90 minus x. Tan 90 minus x will be CD upon 9. So what is the value of CD? That is 9 into tan 90 minus x. Okay, so guys, can you tell me what is the value of tan 90 minus x? What is tan 90 minus x? We have discussed the trigonometric ratio change, right? So what is tan 90 minus x? It will be 9, and then since 90 is there, so trigonometric ratio will change and tan changes to cot. So you have cot x. Okay, 90 minus x, first quadrant, all the angles are positive in the first quadrant, so 9 cot x. This is the value of CD. Okay, now this is also the value of CD, this is also the value of CD. Can I equate both the values? Let us equate both the values. From equation 1 and 2, I have 4 tan x is equal to 9 cot x. Okay. So from here, can you figure out what will be the value of x? Think about it, everyone. Can you find out the value of x? Find this out. What do you have? So from here I have tan x upon cot x is equal to 9 upon 4, right? So look at this. Cot x is actually 1 upon tan x. So this will go in the numerator, and you have tan square x as 9 by 4. So what will be the value of tan x? Since all these angles are less than 90 degree, first quadrant hai. So tan x will be 3 by 2. Okay, so you have tan x as 3 by 2. So what is the value of CD? 4 into 3 by 2, which is 6 meters. Okay, so height of the tower is 6 meters here. Yes, so I think one of you gave the right answer also earlier. Yes, Anurag. Anurag, correct answer. 6 meters. Absolutely right. Okay, all of you, is the question clear? Any doubt in this question? हाँ जी. आदित्य, वरुण, सोनम, अमय, हर्षिता, Ankit, Arjun, all of you, is this clear? Okay. Any doubts? See, tan square x हमारा आया था 9 by 4, right? So some of you might be thinking tan x के दो values possible है, plus minus 3 by 2. Okay, so दो values possible है, correct, but negative इसलिए नहीं लेंगे because x is in first quadrant. 0 to 90 से ही में ही उसका value है, so वो first quadrant में इसलिए negative नहीं हो सकता. Other way of thinking like this is that because CD is a distance and distance can't be negative, इसलिए भी आप negative value नहीं ले सकते. Okay, all right. So all those students who joined in between, I request you guys to go through all the questions that we have discussed today again. Okay, try to solve these questions yourself. Now, yes, so Anurag, you were asking about the plan, no? How to, from where am I planning for the prep and all. Okay, let's see, let us discuss it here. Okay, let's see. So, see, in the very first session when I discussed about the syllabus and all, okay, if all of you were there, when I discussed about the syllabus in detail, we discussed about two sections, quantitative aptitude and higher mathematics section is also there, which is the part of quantitative aptitude only, okay. So, in higher mathematics, you have trigonometry, you have matrices, you have calculus, you have complex numbers, vectors. These are the different topics you have. In quants, you have numbers, arithmetic, geometry, algebra, and modern maths. Five sections. Okay, I have explained this in detail in that session, so I hope you guys are aware of this. Okay, so I have started with trigonometry from higher maths and numbers from quantitative aptitude. Okay, so you guys will get more questions from quants and less questions from higher mathematics. Okay, so the focus has to be more on quants, but I am not saying that we will not do higher mathematics. We'll do that as well. So what I am planning is that I have taken 4 sessions on trigonometry. Now we will start with numbers. Okay, once we complete numbers, once we complete all the concepts of numbers, we'll come back to trigonometry and do the rest of the things. Okay, because trigonometry is not easy, guys, right? We have just done the basics. एक साथ आप सब कुछ cover करोगे, so ज़्यादा समझ में नहीं आएगा. It will be difficult to understand. Okay, then we'll do arithmetic. After arithmetic, we'll start matrices and determinants. Then we will discuss calculus in detail. Okay. So in this entire course, we will be discussing all the topics one by one. Okay. So you guys have time now. Okay. Your exam for IPMAT will be next year now. So by then, not by then, within 5 to 6 months, we'll be done with all the topics. All right. Everyone, I hope I have answered your question, Anurag. All of you, is there any other question which you like me to which you like to ask? Please ask. कोई भी question हो, please ask. All of you. All right. So this is for the YouTube classes that I was discussing. Okay. So all those students who are see, in YouTube sessions we'll be covering the basic concepts, but the complete syllabus, each and everything with practice and mock test, is covered only in the plus subscription. Okay, so for that you can go for the subscription for 1 year. This crash course is also starting for 30 days. So if you're planning for DU JAT exam, you can go for this 1 month of subscription. The course is starting from 21st July, right? 1 year course again starting from 28th July, and this is also a new batch that is starting. Okay, so you guys can go for these courses. Now, this is also an offer going on. If you take the subscription for 1 year, you get 2 months free, and if you take it for 2 years, you get 3 months free. And you can use my code AAISH10 to get 10% off the course fee. All right. Yes, Varun, definitely solve the questions from NCRT. Must solve. Okay, sectional test that happen on the platform from Monday to Friday 4:30 p.m. पे होता है, just for 20 minutes, 20 questions. Okay, so please make sure that you guys attempt this test. This will be definitely very helpful. Now the price for 2 years is 30,000, and for 1 year this is 20,000. 30,000 and 20,000. And on this fee you will get 10% off if you use this code. So go for the subscription as soon as possible so that you can get the proper planned structure of the courses also. All right. Okay, guys, join my Telegram channel. Links of all the sessions are here. You guys can also communicate with me here. Okay. And as you guys asked, I will share the link of the group also. I'm just going to post it after the session on Telegram. Okay. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for attending the session. I hope you guys liked it. So did you guys enjoy the session? From Monday, we are going to start numbers. Yes, Harshita, Aditya, Varun, Anurag, Ankit, Sonam. Okay. All right. So I'll see you guys on Monday now. Okay. Be safe, guys. Keep practicing. Try the questions of trigonometry from the NCRT books. Okay? All right.